why I chose Oxi Fresh was essentially the branding. The branding stood out to me a lot. And then I started to learn more about it, got kind of shown the ropes. And the next thing that was the biggest reason for me was the lowest common denominator in the industry of carpet cleaning, which means it's like what separated Oxi Fresh from other carpet cleaning providers. The last thing that was huge for me as to why I chose Oxi Fresh was the support system. I saw the leaders. I saw how they also owned Oxi Fresh territories. So they weren't actually in the office, but they actually had feet on the ground, had some experience of what it really took to run a business, Oxi Fresh business.